Joomla how-to videos brought to you by Gong Communications. All Joomla websites will have at least one user, the admin, but some websites have hundreds or thousands of users who can log into both the front end or the back end of the website. To edit your users, you can either click on User Manager from the control panel or go to Users, User Manager. You'll see this site only right now has one user, and it's the admin. But we're going to add another user. So I'm giving that user a name, and I'm giving them a login name, and I'm giving them a test password, and an email address. All that information is obviously required. The rest of this information over here is not required because if you leave it blank, it'll go by the website defaults, which is usually fine in most cases. The last thing you need to change is what level of user group they're in. If they're just registered, then that means they have basic front-end website access. But if you want them to have website access to the back end, you could call them an administrator, or if they're really in a high-end administrator, they can become a super user. Some websites will have different user groups based upon their needs. So for example, this has a customer group or a shop supplier group, and I could give them that level of access, and they will be able to see different content on the website than the regular user if they were logged in. I can click on Save and Close, and now you'll see this person's information is in here. If you have a user who's forgotten their password, they can use a password reminder from the front end of the website, or you can come in and reset it for them at a later time by clicking on their name and adding and resetting their password. You'll never be able to see their password though, only reset it. For more information and resources, visit gongcommunications.com.